as a solo travel female, Home Depot has the best bathrooms. Just made it to Salton City Lake Beach, or whatever this was supposed to be, but now it's the dead waters or something. I was gonna say the Dead Sea, but it's not a sea, it's a lake. What is it and why does it stink so bad out here? Why is there no signs of life around here? What are the dark mysteries of Salton City Lake, and why is this place abandoned? We're gonna find out right now on my channel. We made it to Slab City. We made it to Slab City. It looks like they would have communion or maybe church up in here.
Oh, this is his,
yeah, it's a trophy.
That's his trophy.
Whose trophy?
The guy, Leonard Knight.
Leonard Knight? Oh, his trophy is up in there. Y'all, this is so crazy. Look at this place. And look, I think a lot of people put their past family members here on this thing. So crazy. I mean, a lot of hard work and very thought outness went into the creation of this. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I don't even think I can begin to explain how cool Bombay Beach is. It's your girl Trendsetter, back on another trend video, and I'm here to let y'all know we're two desert shawties, two desert shawties. Day well spent in the desert, folks.